this video, I want to talk about how you can remove alerts inside of Webull. Now I'll show you how you can remove the stock alerts and also how you can just remove the notification alerts within Webull. So first step is you need to make sure that you download the Webull app. Now if you want to remove the alerts, which are not the notifications, what you want to do is just open up the app, go to the menu and click on My Alerts. Now if you don't see My Alerts, it might be a bell. And once you're in there, you should see a list of all your active alerts. Then from in there, you just want to select the one that you want to remove, click delete, and then remove it. Now, if you cannot click delete, you might be able to swipe left to remove it. And if you want to remove it directly from a stock chart, what you can do is just open up the chart, look for the bell icon, and click on the bell icon, and then it should show you what alerts you have from in there. If you want to turn off the notifications, just open up the app, go to your profile and look for the settings, look for message or notification settings, and in there you can turn it off. Otherwise, instead of doing it from the Webull app, you can just go to settings on your phone, click on notifications, and then you can disable Webull. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.